Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. I am Saurav and today we are unboxing a really exciting product, the barbecue grill. If you are someone who loves grilling or planning to host a party in your backyards, roof and anywhere, just this video is for you. So without any further delay, let's get started. Here is the barbecue grill package. As you can see, the box is quite steady and well packaged. Now let's open it up and see what's inside. First up, we have the main part of the grill, which is made of iron. It looks really strong and durable, and I can already tell that good quality product. Here are some additional parts: the grilling rack, the griddle and the handle. All the parts are really well packaged to ensure that nothing gets damaged during transport. Now let's put this grill together. As you can see, assembling is really easy. All the parts fit together nicely and there is no hassle at all. And there you go. Our barbecue grill is all set up. It looks slick, stylish and would be a great addition to any party settings. Now let's test it out. Watch how quickly it heat up. This grill is super efficient. You just turn it on and you are ready to start grilling. As you can see, it heats up really fast, making grilling even more fun and time efficient. It is performing perfectly and the temperature is just right. Alright. Our grilling is done. Just look at that. Everything look amazing and smelling delicious. The barbecue grill has given us a fantastic grilling experience. So that's it for the unboxing and tasting of the barbecue grill. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more exciting reviews. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. We will back with another great video soon. Until then, stay happy, stay healthy and happy grilling.